Hello, Plant High School, and welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. My name is Johnny Bush. I'm the very proud principal of this amazing school. We're excited to get this school year underway, and we look forward to seeing you in the classroom, on the playing fields, and on stage. If you're a freshman or you're new to Plant High School, please be a part of what makes this school great. Get involved, challenge yourself. Our motto is strength through unity. So together, let's make this a great year. Thank you all for choosing to be Plant Panthers. We'll see you around.
Hi, my name is Kimmy Helenberg, and I've been at Plant High School for 22 years, and this is my 8th year as Assistant Principal of Curriculum Plant. Some of my responsibilities include hiring the instructional staff. I build and design a master schedule for 2,500 students and 130 teachers. I also conduct formal and informal observations, and I coordinate all of the computer-based testing. However, the best part of my job is working with our students, parents, and staff to make sure that our students have the best high school experience. See, here at Plant, we want our students to be engaged in their 4 years of high school. So my message to the students, be part of the Plant culture, be active in the Plant community, and get involved. We hope you have a wonderful year. Go Panthers!
Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Otero and I am the Assistant Principal for Administration as well as the Athletic Director. Most of you probably know me from completing your athletic clearance application. I want to welcome you to the 21-22 school year, and we're excited to jump back into things and get the year started. My responsibilities at Plant include oversight of our school facility, all student activities and organizations, support staff, athletics, graduation, and serving as an instructional leader to our teachers and students. My office is located in the main office, and I look forward to greeting each of you on Tuesday morning. Have a great year.
Hi, my name is Erin Melnick, and I'm one of the assistant principals in student affairs. I oversee students with the last names A through GN. I help with attendance purposes and discipline. My goal here is to help each student be successful and walk across that stage their senior year with a diploma from Plant High School. I also assist with coordinating the clubs here at Plant. We have over 80 plus clubs here. We've got interest clubs, service clubs, honors clubs, so make sure you get involved. We're here for the safety of our students and want you to have a great time here while you're 4 years here at Plant. If you need anything from us, please come and see us. My extension here at Plant is 235. Thank you.
Welcome to HB Plant High and the 21-22 school year. I'm Mr. Webb, Assistant Principal in Student Affairs, in charge of students with last names G-O through O. Sadly, many of you know me from COVID quarantine last year. Hopefully this year it will be a little less hectic. Please let me know if I can assist you. I'm looking forward to seeing each of you. Stay healthy and safe. Go Panthers.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Plant High School, I am Mr. Givens. I'm one of the members of the Student Affairs Office. Specifically, I'm responsible for those students in the alphabet P through G. Our primary function this year is to help make that transition back to brick and mortar, something that you can do and to get you from point A to B. What we want to make sure is if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to stop by the Student Affairs Office, and we will do whatever's in our power to make your transition, whether you're a freshman or you're returning senior, junior, or sophomore to Plant High School. Look forward to meeting you. August the 10th is going to be that day, and as usual, welcome to Plant High School. Now you're a member of the Plant Panther family.
Hi, I'm Officer Filer with Tampa Police Department. I'm the SRO here at Plant. I'm responsible for the safety and security of all personnel, all students and teachers on campus. I have an open door policy. If you want to talk about anything, just come knocking on my door or have one of the APs or the teachers find me. We can talk as teachers, parents, and students. Let's have a great year.
Welcome back, Panthers, to another exciting and on-campus school year. In a few moments, you are going to meet the faces of your Student Services team. The Student Services team is made up of all of your guidance counselors, school social workers, and school psychologists. Together, we cover a wide range of your academic needs to your personal social needs, and we are very excited to be working with you this school year. I am Mrs. Wolford, and I am guidance counselors letter A through CL.
Welcome, Panthers. I'm Miss Coyer, and last name CM through GOO.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dykes, and I have students whose last names begin with GOP through LE.
Hi Panthers, I'm Mrs. Mortar, and I have students with the last names LEA through OJ.
Hello and welcome back. I'm Miss Castellano, and I have students that are OK through SK. Hi, welcome back. Exciting school year. I'm Mrs. Litwack, and I'll be serving families SL through Z.
Hi, welcome back. I am Ms. Shard. I'm your school social worker. My office is located in the guidance suite, and I'm here Monday through Friday.
Hi, I'm Dr. Adams, and I'm the school psychologist. I will be here on Mondays, Tuesdays, and some Thursdays.
Hi, my name is Miss Willis. I'm one of the social workers at Plant High School this year. My office is located in the guidance suite. I will be on campus every other Wednesday, and every Thursday and Friday I'll be doing a little of everything from mental health counseling to IEP counseling and attendance, so I look forward to meeting every one of you.
Hi, my name is Kayla Spillman. I'm the school nurse here at Plant High School. The clinic is located in room 150 right next to the cafeteria.